So we've got our ingredients for our rice noodles with marinated pork, mirin, and if you don't know about ghost pepper, this is the business. My friend brought it back from Sri Lanka, so it's green ghost pepper, and we're going to prop it in our noodles tonight. So it's going to be a bit chilly, it's going to be a bit spicy. Yep, so we're going with a bit of vegetable oil, high heat. We just want to be stir frying, so quite a high heat. I love this thing, it's a plug-in wok. Absolutely love it. I've had it for years. Okay, so first thing into the pan, let's just check the oil temperature. Don't think it's hot enough yet. We'll start frying off the carrots. Carrots and a couple of onions. I've got some more onions here, and we've just got a little bit of parsley and some gherkins. Now all the recipes will be on my website at www.farmthekitchenwithmark.co.nz. Now I've got some marinated pork here, it's just been marinated overnight. We're going there with the pork now. Yep, so then we're going to go in there with the bean sprouts. We go in there with some turmeric and some curry powder. We just make a little space in the middle. We pop our egg in the middle. Now we're getting the noodles in there. Now we're going to go in there with our spicy ghost pepper. So as spicy as you like. This particular chutney is extremely hot. So I'd say add as much chilli sauce. It could be ghost pepper sauce, any type of chilli sauce, or no chilli. This is quite nice, being quite mild. Some quite a lot of onion. Now this recipe is for 2 portions, and because I always find when something is spicy, having some raw onion over the top in quite large quantities is actually delicious and balances perfectly. So this is my fried pork rice noodles with ghost pepper and mirin.